Making money online can easily be done by anyone, but at the same time, there are certain skills that if you have them, will set you ahead of the competition and make it easier for you to make even more money. When you study the practices of freelancers and side hustlers who make six figures or more, then you will begin to understand that they all possess the same set of skills in addition to their technical abilities. 8 critical skills to creating a sustainable extra source of income for yourself and family. Freelancing. It is a fast growing business today, and it is one of the best ways of making money online. With freelancing, you are able to offer what you know to people and then getting paid for it. You can make money from crypto by buying from an exchange that sells at a lower price and then trading them in an exchange that accepts cryptocurrencies at a higher price. If you are looking for a side hustle, virtual assistant jobs are a good way to make money online. As a virtual assistant, you get a chance of working from home while helping your clients with their day-to-day tasks, email management, basic administrative work, or social media management. After crypto trading, affiliate marketing is another income stream. As an affiliate marketer, you don't need to have your product or services to make money. What you need is to look for products in other people's business, companies, and services to sell and earn commission. This is one of the most popular ways to make money online. With e-commerce, you can find products to buy and sell online. With the increased online purchases today, e-commerce has become a lucrative way to earn money online. Social media has become a big trend and a money maker for celebrities and influencers today, from Facebook to TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. So your key social media roles will include creating simple content and engaging with your audience. Blogging remains an excellent choice, and you can get started by choosing a niche, then producing high quality content, develop an audience and monetizing your blog. With increased traffic in your site, you can begin to recommend other people's products and get paid commissions on sales, or you take sponsored posts to your audience and get paid commission. Teaching what you already know using a course outline and your mobile phone. It can be either teaching a subject or a skill like video editing, baking, and more. Additionally, you can create courses on what you already know and sell them to people. These are the 8 critical ways to creating a sustainable extra source of income. Find this video very helpful and you've not subscribed, please click on the subscription button because I'm going to be bringing you more exciting videos on how to make it here on YouTube and even outside YouTube.